Hey there! Struggling with a Toshiba TV that refuses to show anything but a black screen? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix the Toshiba TV black screen issue. Whether it's a minor glitch or a more complex problem, these steps will help get your TV back in action so you can keep watching your favorite shows. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first thing to check when dealing with a black screen is your TV's power supply. Make sure your Toshiba TV is plugged in securely and that the power outlet is functioning correctly. You can test this by plugging another device into the same outlet to see if it receives power. If everything seems in order, proceed to double check your TV's power cord for any visible damage that might interrupt the power flow. Step 2. Inspect the remote control. Sometimes the issue might not be with the TV at all, but rather with the remote control. Ensure the remote has working batteries and is sending signals to the TV. You can verify this by trying to power on the TV with the manual power button on the TV itself. If the TV turns on manually, but not with the remote, consider replacing the remote's batteries or resetting it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Verify the input settings. A wrong input setting can easily lead to a black screen. Check that your Toshiba TV is set to the correct input source. Use the input or source button on your remote control to cycle through the available options. Make sure your external devices like cable boxes or gaming consoles are correctly connected to the HDMI or AV inputs that your TV is set to. Step 4. Perform a soft reset. A simple reset can often resolve many common TV issues. For a soft reset, unplug your Toshiba TV from its power source. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Then, power on the TV to see if the black screen issue has resolved. This process helps to clear temporary bugs and glitches from the TV's memory. Step 5. Inspect the backlight. Backlight issues can also cause a black screen. To test this, turn on your Toshiba TV and hold a flashlight close to the screen. You can see a dim image on the screen under the flashlight's beam. It indicates a backlight problem. In such cases, it might be necessary to contact a professional technician to replace the backlight. Step 6. Factory reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all personal settings and restore the TV to its original state. To perform a factory reset, locate the reset option in your TV's menu settings. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as this process is irreversible and will delete all saved data. By following these steps on how to fix the Toshiba TV black screen, you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue yourself. Remember, if you're not comfortable handling any part of the process, it's always a good idea to consult with or hire a professional technician. Fixing a black screen can sometimes be as simple as checking power or input settings, but in more complex cases, professional help might be necessary. With these tips, hopefully you'll be back to watching your favorite shows in no time.